Don't miss this 2002 Saturn SL. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a light silver exterior. With 14,644 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.